Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. The saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Hello, little. Do you like apple? So, this video for you. At first, we draw the cutting. Next, we draw the body part of the apple. Here we draw curve to draw the apple. Lastly, we draw the leaves of the apple. Apples are a popular and nutritious fruit enjoyed worldwide. They come in various colors like red, green, and yellow. Red color. Apples are a good source of fiber, and vitamin C highlights their potential health benefits. Apples can be eaten fresh, used in pies, or made into juice. Apples are amazing fruits, loved by everyone. They come in many colors like red and green, and are super good for us. They have several health benefits like fiber, which is good for our tummies, and vitamins that help keep us healthy. Red color. Red color. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker and start the drawing. Firstly, we draw two straight lines and made a plus shape. We draw a curve using that. Here we draw a semicircle on the top of the car. We draw very carefully. Next we draw the car wheel using circle shape. We draw a small circle into it. Next, Next, it's time to draw another wheel using same process. First we draw a big circle, and we draw a small circle into it. We draw a straight line, and joined it to draw the face and back part of the car. Now it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the body part of the car. Cars are fun vehicles that many children love. Some cars are toys, like remote control cars. Cars have wheels that help them move. Many cars are brightly colored. Cars can be small or big. Toy cars can be pushed or driven. Some toy cars have lights and sounds. Cars can be used to go on adventures. Children can pretend to be race car drivers. Red color. Cars help with coordination and balance. Ride-on cars make playtime more exciting. Cars can take us to different places. Some cars are electric and good for the environment. Cars can be a part of a child's imagination. We use sky blue color for coloring the window glass of the car. Toy cars can be collected and raced. Cars are a popular toy for many children. Some cars are designed to look like real cars. Cars can be a source of joy and entertainment. Children can learn about different car models. Cars are a fun part of childhood. We ice yellow color to color the wheel of the car. Yellow color. Black color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we draw the cutting part. Next we draw a big curved line like this from the first cutting. Next we draw another curved line like that. We draw a line in the middle of the banana. Bananas are a popular fruit known for their sweet taste and ease of consumption. They grow in clusters on a plant that resembles a tree but is technically a giant herb. It's time to coloring. We color it with yellow color. The banana fruit is botanically classified as a berry. Most bananas are yellow when ripe, but some varieties can be red, green, or even purple. Bananas are a good source of potassium, an essential mineral for heart health and nerve function. They also contain vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant and supports the immune system. Bananas are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. The fruit is naturally fat-free and cholesterol-free, making it a healthy snack choice. Bananas are easily digestible and can be a good source of quick energy. They are a common ingredient in various desserts, including cakes, smoothies, and ice cream. Raw bananas can also be used in savory dishes, like curries and pickles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.